How to fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you are getting the error message of you need the official WhatsApp to use this account, don't worry, I'll show you the simple ways to fix it. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you can easily launch Play Store. Tap your profile icon at top right corner and you need to select Play Protect. Now tap on the gear icon at top right corner and disable both options of Scan Apps with Play Protect and improve harmful app detection. Now head towards the settings, scroll down and open Apps. Select App Management option and look for WhatsApp from the App Management section. Access the App Info section of WhatsApp and navigate to Storage Uses. Select Clear Cache button and restart WhatsApp and check if the issue is resolved. If not, you can uninstall WhatsApp. Go ahead and open the Play Store again and you need to come back to the game section, search for WhatsApp and open its page, and here you can see uninstall button. Select that and select uninstall and reinstall the app. And uninstalling may delete chat data, so you can back up your chats first. So if this didn't help you, you can contact WhatsApp support. So you can navigate to the Google Chrome or any web browser and you can easily look for the WhatsApp official website and go to the contact us section. Here you simply need to add your description of your issues, that you have been receiving the error message of I need official WhatsApp, but I'm using the official version, so can you help? You can easily type in your message and enter your phone number, email and device type and submit the form and wait for a response. By following this all the steps, your error can be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.